can be hard to decide which companies to trust. No one wants to get any spam calls or texts after giving out their information. So what happens when you fill out this form? After filling out this form, our team will contact you in under 24 hours to answer any of your questions, learn more about your project, and schedule a free consultation with one of our sales team members. Our proven process ensures that your project goes as smoothly and efficiently as possible so nothing gets overlooked. If you no longer require our services, you don't have to worry about getting those spam calls or emails. We won't continue to contact you if you decide you are not interested. M&M Home Remodeling provides peace of mind in every customer interaction. So let's talk.